I'm Dave and this is Austin Eats. I love creamed corn, but not out of a can. I've tried making all different kinds of creamed corn and I've discovered that true creamed corn doesn't actually have any cream in it at all. In fact, if you prepare it properly, all the moisture in the world and all of that creamy goodness comes from the corn itself. I'm going to show you how I make creamed corn now thanks to a neat little gadget that I found on the internet. It's easy, and it tastes absolutely great. And it's right here on Austin Eats.
This is the tool that I'm talking about. It's basically a piece of wood with a concave section that you can run a piece of corn across with a few blades on it. The first blade has some tines that stick up that actually slice open the kernels, and the second blade actually milks the corn and just scrapes all of that liquid out of it. There's a third blade right up front that you can raise if you just want to cut the kernels right off the corn. To use this, all you have to do is slide the corn of cob right across the blades. It's just that easy. Rotate it, do it again, rotate it, do it again. Look at all of the juice that's coming out of that corn. This is the corn and juice that came out of one ear. I scraped 5 in all and ended up with enough for 4 people. A link to this tool is in the description below. Also pick yourself up one of these gloves. It'll prevent you from getting cut if you accidentally come in contact with one of those blades. To cook the corn, I sauteed a shallot in a little bit of butter until it was nice and soft. Then I drained the corn and added the corn to this mixture and cooked it for about 5 or 6 minutes. That allows the corn to soften up a little bit, and it will actually turn a little brighter yellow in the process. While the corn cooked, I added the liquid that I drained from the corn to a small saucepan and heated it until it thickened, about 2 or 3 minutes. Then I simply added the liquid back to the corn and mixed it well. Then I finished the dish by adding some salt, pepper, and topping it with some fresh chopped chives. It's that easy to make really great creamed corn without any cream. This is an easy and tasty side dish that's really worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.